meow. Lesson 24. You know the verbs go, come, eat, drink, and sleep. You know like, want, need, and have. Today, we learn 6 more action verbs. These are about movement, about what your body does. We will learn run, walk, sit, stand, open, and close. These verbs describe physical actions, things you can see, things you do with your body every single day. By the end of this lesson, you will know 15 verbs. That is a lot of actions you can describe. Let's get moving. First verb is run. Run means to move quickly on your feet, faster than walking. Both feet leave the ground. Repeat after me. Run. Important forms: I, you, we, they, plus run. He, she, it plus runs. Add the letter S. Examples: I run every morning. You run fast. He runs to work. Notice, he runs, not he run. She runs 5 miles. We run together. They run in the park. Common phrases with run: run fast, run home, run away, go for a run. This means to run as exercise. You can run to places. I run to the store. She runs to school. You can run for exercise. I run every day. He runs in the morning. Practice. Complete these sentences. I run. Say where or when you run. She runs. Say something about someone. They run. Say something about a group. Good. You understand run. Second verb is walk. Walk means to move on your feet at normal speed. One foot always touches the ground. Slower than running. Repeat after me. Walk. Important forms: I, you, we, they, plus walk. He, she, it, plus walks. Add the letter S. Examples: I walk to school. You walk slowly. He walks every day. Notice, he walks. She walks the dog. This means she takes the dog for a walk. We walk together. They walk in the park. Common phrases is walk home, walk slowly, walk fast, walk the dog. Taking your dog outside for exercise. Take a walk. This means to walk for pleasure or exercise. Go for a walk. Same meaning. Run versus walk. What is the difference? Run equals fast. Both feet leave ground. Exercise, usually. Walk equals normal speed. One foot always on ground. Everyday movement. Examples: I walk to the store. Normal, not hurrying. I run to the store. Fast. Maybe I am late. Practice. I walk. Say where you walk. He walks. Say something about someone. We walk. Say something about a group. Perfect. Third verb is sit. Sit means to rest on your bottom. On the chair, on the floor, on the ground. Your legs bend. You lower yourself down. Like this. I am sitting now. Repeat after me. Sit. Important forms: I, you, we, they, plus sit. He, she, it, plus sits. Add the letter S. Examples: I'll sit here. You sit down. This is a command. Please lower yourself into a seat. He sits on the chair. Notice, he sits. She sits at the desk. We sit together. They sit in class. Common phrases with sit: sit down. Command or instruction: sit here. Sit there. Location: sit on something. sit on the chair, sit on the floor, sit at something, sit at the table, sit at the desk. Important prepositions. Sit on, for surfaces. Sit on the chair, sit on the bed. Sit at, for furniture with purpose. Sit at the table, sit at the desk. Sit in, for enclosed spaces. Sit in the car, sit in the corner. Practice. I sit. Say where you sit. She sits. Say something about someone. Please sit. Give a command. Excellent. Fourth verb is stand. Stand means to be upright on your feet, not sitting, not lying down. Vertical position. Like this. I am standing now. Repeat after me. Stand. Important forms. I, you, we, they, plus stand. He, she, it, plus stands. Add the letter S. Examples. I stand here. You stand up. This is a command. Please rise to your feet. He stands by the door. Notice he stands. She stands tall. This means she has good posture, or she is confident. We stand together. This can be literal or mean we support each other. They stand in line. Waiting in a queue. Common phrases with stand. Stand up. Command or describing action of rising. Stand still. Do not move. Stand in line. Wait in a queue. Stand by. Wait nearby or support someone. Sit versus stand. Opposites. Sit equals down. Resting, bottom on surface. Stand equals up, vertical, on your feet. Commands we hear. Please sit down. Please stand up. Practice. I stand. Say where you stand. He stands. Say something about someone. Please stand. Give a command. Good work. Fifth verb is open. Open means to make something not closed, to create access, to allow entry or exit. You open doors. You open windows. You open boxes. You open books. Repeat after me. Open. Important forms. I, you, we, they, plus open. He, she, it, plus opens. Add the letter S. Examples. I open the door. You open the window. He opens the box. Notice, he opens. She opens her eyes. After sleeping, you open your eyes. We open the store. For businesses, to start the day, they open at 9 a.m. Talking about store hours. Common phrases with open. Open the door. Open the window. Open your eyes. Open your mouth. Open a book. Begin reading. Open a store. Begin business for the day. Open-minded. This means accepting of new ideas. What can you open? Doors, windows, boxes, books, letters, packages. Your eyes, your mouth. Stores, businesses, buildings. Practice. I open. Say what you open. She opens. Say something about someone. Please open. Give a command. Perfect. Sixth verb is close. Close means to make something not open, to shut, to prevent access. The opposite of open. Important pronunciation note. Close as a verb sounds like close with a Z sound. Close as an adjective, meaning nearby, sounds like close with an S sound. We are learning the verb today. Close with E sound. Repeat after me. Close. Important forms. I, you, we, they, plus close. He, she, it plus closes. Add the letter S. Examples. I close the door. You close the window. He closes the box. Notice, he closes. She closes her eyes. When sleeping or resting, we close the store. At end of business day, they close at 6 p.m. Talking about store hours. Common phrases with close. Close the door. Close the window. Close your eyes, close your mouth. Close a book. Stop reading. Close a store. End business for the day. Close call. This means a narrow escape from danger. Open versus close. Opposites. Open equals create access, allow entry. Close equals prevent access, shut. Examples of opposites. Open the door, then close the door. Open your eyes, then close your eyes. The store opens at 9, then the store closes at 6. Practice. I close, say what you close. He closes, say something about someone. Please close, give a command. Excellent. Let us review all 6 action verbs. Say them with me. Run. Moving fast on your feet. Walk. Moving normal speed on your feet. Sit. Rest position. Bottom down. Stand. Upright position on your feet. Open. Create access. Allow entry. Close. Prevent access. Shut. Quick test. I will give you a situation. You tell me the verb. Moving quickly to catch the bus. That is run. Moving slowly in the park. That is walk. Resting on a chair. That is sit. Being upright at a concert. That is stand. Making the door accessible. That is open. Making the door shut. That is close. Perfect understanding. Now, let us use these verbs in a story. Sequence of actions. I wake up. I open my eyes. I stand up. I walk to the door. I open the door. I run outside. Then I come back. I close the door. I sit on the chair. See? 8 verbs in one story, all describing my morning. Your turn. Create a short story using at least 3 of today's verbs. Think about your morning routine or your evening routine. Example. I walk to the kitchen. I open the cupboard. I sit at the table. Say it out loud. Great. You are stringing verbs together naturally. Homework time. Task 1. Act out each verb. Physically do it. Run in place. Walk around. Sit down. Stand up. Open something. Close something. Say the verb as you do it. This helps your brain remember. Task 2. Write your daily routine using these verbs. At least 5 sentences. Example. I wake up. I stand up. I walk to the bathroom. I open the door. I close the door. Then I walk to the kitchen. Task 3. In the comments, describe what you are doing right now using these verbs. Examples. I am sitting at my desk. I am standing in my room. I walk to work every day. Use present tense. Tell us your actions. In Lesson 25, we learn time expressions. What to say based on the time of day. We will learn when to use them, how to refer to different parts of the day. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, all the patterns, all the rules. But today, you learned 6 action verbs, movement verbs, physical verbs, run, walk, sit, stand, open, close. 15 verbs total now. You can describe so many actions. Practice these movements. Use these verbs. Make them natural. See you tomorrow. Meow.